November Roccabox. If you want to see what's inside, then please watch the video. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. So, we've got Roccabox. It's the November box. You guys know I love Roccabox. I'm always happy with the content. And the price point is not too bad either. I think it's like £13.95, including P&P. You do get a few full-size products, but you do also get some travel sample sizes as well. So if you like these kind of videos and unboxings, then please subscribe to my channel. Like my videos so that I know that you like these kind of unboxings, and leave a comment of what was your favourite product. Oh, and your notification. If you don't want to miss any videos from yours truly, then please hit that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a video, you're not going to miss out. How does that sound? Okay, so for my returning subscribers, thank you. Mwah. And for my new subscribers, welcome to the channel and our little community. So without further ado, let's get unboxing this November's Roccabox. I love Roccabox. So inside you get paperwork about what's inside. Oopsie. There's a little leaflet. This is from the perfume shop, so I'm assuming we've probably got a free sample of perfume inside. And then inside you can see we've got all these squigglies. And there's our products. So let's have a look, see what we've got. Okay, so it says, hey ladies, it's the last month of autumn, but the beginning of a new adventure. Take risks and thrive. Love Roccabox. Okay, so the first thing I see in my box is this. This is called B-Tan. It's Love Gradual Tan Body Moisturizer. This is a £12.99 product. It is a full size. You can get this at btan.rocks. Let me see. It says it gives an everyday tan. It's an everyday body lotion that gives a hint of colour. I like these kind of things. That is definitely something I will use. Let me just smell the product, because you guys know I have to smell everything. It's got one of these little security tabs on, which I love also. Just so you know, nobody's been touching anything they shouldn't be. Okay, so the formula comes out white as a lotion. It actually smells really nice. That has a really nice texture as well. I really like that. I could see myself using that. Absolutely, that's a definite thumbs up from me. I really do like that. Next we see is a Vitamask Cranberry and Apple Sheet Mask. This has a value of £4.99. You can get this from tanmask.com. This is a full-size product. So does it say what it's meant to do? No. Looks like a Korean one. A moisturising Korean face mask. Extracts of cranberry and apple to nourish and brighten your skin. I can't wait to try that, but it smells absolutely gorgeous. Then we have Love Beauty and Planet Majestic Moisture Shower Gel. This is £5.99 and this is a travel size product. So that is this. Let's have a smell. Maybe not. Oh, I actually can't open that. I'm so sorry, guys. That is not. It doesn't help that I've just put cream on. No. Oh no! I wanted to smell it. Oh. Well, it's made with shea butter and sandalwood oil. It's a shower gel. And it has Majestic moisture, whatever that might be. So I'm so sorry, but I can't actually smell it. Right, okay, next we have a Stout London Hypnotic Eye Shadow Palette. This has a value of £9.99. This is full size. You can get this at stoutlondon.com. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Let me see through my lights. I have to swatch. I have to swatch. These are typically favourite colours of mine, for absolute sure. I'm trying to get rid of that silly ring light so you can see how beautiful. So we've got a mixture of shimmer, it's like a gold tone. We've got mattes. Oh wow, look at that silver one. Oh, love it. Reds. We've got, I'm running out of fingers. See that better, guys. Look at that. Now, we've got one of these in our glossy box. And I got the pink palette. Well, I like it. I've used it, but I wanted the red one. So this is a little bit of a compensation, I think. The shimmers are beautiful, guys. And the colours, I love. Look at that. Very happy with that. That, for me, is worth the box alone. Very, very, very nice. Gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. And the colour payoff on that is amazing. Okay. Next we have this. This is a Unicorn Cosmetics, the Dirty Beep Cleaner. This is £5. This is a full-size product and you can get this at unicorncosmetics.com. Okay, so this is for cleaning your brushes, I'm gathering. It's a pretty colour. It feels like silicone. So it's texturized here, so I'm guessing you just blob on your brush and just give it a good old clean. And it's got a little opening there, so I'm guessing you can keep a grip of it and just clean your brush in there. Fantastic idea, and I do not own one. I like that. Look at the packaging, look at that. Okay. And our final product we have is these. So this is the Style Stand Dry Eye Relief Drops. This is valued at £15.49. This is a full-size product and you can get this at boots.com. I already use eye drops. I do suffer with dry eyes and very sensitive when I put makeup on. My eyes will water like you would not believe for a good half hour. Now, if I use this, I'm not saying that my eyes don't still water, but not nearly as much and not for nearly as long. So for me, this is something I will probably very much appreciate using. My one that I got is actually a spray because I just can't find the strength to actually put drops in my eyes, but I'm sure I'll have somebody that can help me out with that. So that for me is a very welcome product. Okay, and then we have a little sample of some perfume from the perfume shop. Where's my leaflet? Oh, it's by Kieran. Kieran. And this is called Santo Sky. Let's give this a little glass. I love these little bottles. They're so cute and I love just shoving them in my handbag. Because you've got a sprayer. Back in the old days, you used to have one of these things you used to pull out with a little stick on the end. And the force of you pulling the top out would just jerk all your perfume everywhere. At least with this. Oh my God, that smells lovely. I don't even need to put it on. I can smell it. It is absolutely gorgeous. I wish you had smell-o-vision. This is so nice. I want to go like this. Smell, smell. No, this is amazing. I love that. And I do buy Christmas shopping from the perfume shop. And they do have a 10% discount offer if you, on checkout, write the word Roccabox. So, gorgeous. Right. Just summarising this box, I have to say there's a reason why Roccabox rocks my box, because I absolutely love the products. There's always something different. It's unusual to get a sheet mask. We never normally get sheet masks, and I don't like subscription boxes. I always seem to put these in because it's cheap and it's cheerful and it makes up a product. But I will forgive Roccabox because they don't normally do it. This is something that I will definitely use and try it and see how I get on. I'll probably start off with my legs and see where we go from there. This, I love it. This is my new best friend palette. Let's just take the sticker off there. Absolutely love it. The colour payoff is amazing. And in fact, what I've got on my eyes now is one of these. I did actually use the pink one, but I used the darker colour. Because of my skin tone, the pinks don't always show up, but that I will use for sure. Then we've got the eye drops, which I welcome because I do suffer with dry eye and sometimes very sensitive eyes when I put makeup on. And we got the brush cleaner. Again, love it. I haven't got one, so I look forward to trying it out. It's silicone, it's going to last. Cute. And of course this that I can't seem to, done it. It smells nice. It's not a horrible smell, but it is very, very subtle. You really have to, I'm going to shake it. Let's see, that stirs it up a little bit. No, not really. I mean, it's lovely. I'll use it. I don't hate it, but it's very subtle. And a little sample of perfume. Love that. They had a sample before. I think it was called Ella. I can't remember who it was by. And I actually went and brought it because I like the perfume that much. I can see myself buying this. I'll put it on my Christmas wish list or my birthday. Right, okay, darlings, that's all we have for you on this unboxing of Roccabox. I love it. I will leave a discount code. I think you get a percentage off, and I think I do as well, so it's a win-win. So if you fancy giving Roccabox a try, then please use my discount code, because obviously it helps me out a lot. Don't forget, please subscribe, please like, please comment, please hit your notification bell. And thank you to all my new subscribers that I've got recently. And of course, my regular beauties that always support me and my channel. So until I do another video, if you'd like to see more from yours truly, please hit that one or that one. And if you want to subscribe and you're not already, then you can hit that one. I will also leave a playlist of all the Roccabox that I've unboxed so far on my channel, just in case you want to have a look and see what you generally get in your boxes. Right, I'm going to go. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye for now. Take care. Bye.